One of the reasons you cannot type in the Windows search bar could be due to the Windows search process halting abruptly or due to other essential Windows processes that depends on Windows search crashing. This is a common issue and can be resolved by restarting Windows by clicking Start, Power and Restart. While you could try and restart unresponsive processes yourself, it's better just to restart your Windows to save yourself from the hassle of digging deeper and to save time. Restarting Windows will ensure the processes load up properly. Once done, if your PC is generally a bit slow, give it some time to breathe before you start interacting with it. Try typing in the Windows search bar and it should start functioning normally. The other method is Windows Update. If only I had a penny each time Microsoft added a new bug to Windows, Microsoft notorious bug additions can leave Windows user in distress, trying all sorts of solutions until Windows gets a new update. Now, all the time, energy and effort goes down the drain. If you have only recently encountered the can't type in the Windows search bar issues, then we highly recommend checking for updates. Updates on Windows are frequent, so you can update it easily. Go to the settings, updates and check for the updates. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.